You're in Miss C's kitchen. Isn't that crazy that you're at my house? Are you at your house? Today, we are going to bake something together, and first thing we need to do is wash our hands really good, okay? I already did. I'm going to show you what we're making. It's something that goes in this tin, but it's not a cupcake. If it's not a cupcake, something else that this could be would be a muffin. So we're going to make muffins today. So now this is where, my friends, you can help me. We need to put the muffin liners in. I have a blue one. I have a green one. I have a purple one. I have another purple one. I have a pink one. I have a blue one. I have a green one. I have a yellow one. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We need to start putting our ingredients in. The first thing we need is something that's round, and they come from chickens. Is it a blueberry? Do blueberries come from chickens? No. Oh, it's a egg. How many eggs do we need? 1, 2, 3 eggs. Let's crack the eggs into the bowl. Maybe this is a time where you can help. Crack, crack, crack. 1, 2, 3. 3 eggs. Now, here's another time where you can help. You need to mix up the eggs. Mix. Mix. Now we need to pour some vanilla. Do you want to smell it? Smells good, right? Pretty good. We'll pour the vanilla. Pour it in. Mix. We pour the vanilla in. Okay, now, something that's interesting in this recipe is we need some fruit. Can you name some fruits? Blueberries are fruit. Bananas are fruit. Hello? You can help me peel the banana. I have some pre-peeled banana. And then you can help me mash the banana. I'm mashing the banana. What am I doing? I'm mashing the banana. Mash. All right, let's pour it in. You can help me pour. Pour it in. And then we mix it all up. That's those wet ingredients. They feel wet and a little sticky. I need to wash my hands. Next, you can help me scoop the dry ingredients into the container. So if a parent can pre-scoop and pre-measure it into a bowl, and then you can take your scooper and scoop it in. 1, scoop. I'm scooping in the flour. Scoop. I'm gonna pour in the rest. Pour. Then maybe a parent needs to help you with this, but you can mix after. Pour it in. And then it's time to, you see me? Mix it all up. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. I'm stirring the muffins. Stir the muffins. Then we're going to add more fruit to the muffins. What do you think? These are going to taste sweet. I love fruit. Mix, 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 mix. Once it's all mixed, can you help me pour the blueberries in? Ready, set, pour. Uh-oh, one flew away. We'll have to clean that. Pour the blueberries. Look at those blueberries. Do you want to smell them? They smell sweet. All right, we're going to mix up the blueberries into the muffins. And then we take another scooper, and we're going to scoop them into the cups. And you can come with me to put them in the oven. Okay, time to put the muffins in the oven. You can help, but remember, it's hot. Do we touch an oven? No, it's too hot. We'll put them in. Do you hear it beeping? I think they're ready. Ooh, look at those muffins. Let's get them out. Look good enough to eat. Enjoy.